Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Supakorn Sonake.
My name is Nomadi Sajao, student number 620419.
Hi, my name is ผู้สุดาทอสา
Hi, my name is Sirikorn Mikun.
We are third year students of English and Chinese major. Today's topic is why rhinos are endangered.
Our presentation will inform you about the reason why rhinos are endangered and the problem of the illegal rhino poaching, and let's see together why we shouldn't be overlooked to this problem.
We have divided our presentation into three main parts. First part, we will talk about rhinoceros endangered species. Then we will move on to the next part, the reason for the decline in the rhino population. And the last part, we will show our classmates their safe approach to protecting rhinos.
Our presentation will take about 10 minutes. We send our presentation to our group line. If you have any question, we will happy to talk to you at the end.
Now it's time to begin with the first part. Rhinoceros endangered species. The rhinoceros is an animal in the phylum Spinochord, class of mammals. Order of us, food-fed animal in the family Rhinothidae. Rhinos are considered large animals. It can be said to be the last land animal after elephant, because rhinos can be up to 3.6 to 5 meters long, 1.6 to 2 meters shoulder height, 2.3 to 3.6 tons weight. Rhinos have a typical body shape, small eyes, a triangular or square beak, have very thick leather. In some species may be seen as a layer like armor, and the most distinctive feature is the hole at the right of the nose that protrudes from the cheek, known as the horn, which is used as a weapon in self-defense collisions, which in fact a rhino's horn is considered a horn. The rhinoceros is the second large warm-blooded animal in the world, in continuous decline, and is now at risk of extinction. This was due to being hunted to sell the rhino horns in the form of various ornaments or used as a medicinal ingredient according to belief. Types of rhinoceros today. The white rhinoceros is the largest rhinoceros in the world, found in Africa. The black rhinoceros is the second largest rhinoceros than the white rhinoceros, found in Africa as well. The Indian rhinoceros is found in South Asia. It is classified as a rhinoceros with only one horn. This is distinctive feature. The skin is thick and wings are noticeable.
The genre Rhinoceros, Rhinoceros zodiacus, is found in Southeast Asia. They are similar to the Indian rhinoceros. It is the rarest type of rhinoceros in the world and has been ranked as the rarest mammal in the world as well. In Thailand, this type of rhino was previously found as well, but now they are all extinct. The Sumatran rhinoceros, Dicerorhinus sumatrensis, is the smallest rhinoceros. It is found in Southeast Asia as well. There is a distinctive feature. With hair covering the whole body, it is a very rare type of rhinoceros in Thailand. The only remaining place in evergreen forest on the border with Malaysia. September 22 of every year is World Rhino Day or World Rhino Conservation Day. It was started in 2010 with the aim of raising seriousness of the danger of extinction of the rhinoceros still in danger of extinction. In the past 40 years, rhinos have decreased by 95 worldwide. As you can see on the slide, this is statistics of rhino hunting. In 2007, 23 rhinos in South Africa are hunted, and in 2014, 1,250 rhinos in South Africa are hunted. From these statistics show us in 10 years, 2014 has the highest number of rhino hunting. Let's move on to the next part, the reason for the decline in the rhino population. The world has lost 95% of its rhino population in the past 40 years, and the main cause of the sharp decline is illegal rhino poaching just for its horns as jewelry and traditional medicine.
Now we move on to talk about rhino horn trade in Vietnam. Vietnam is considered the world's largest illegal trading route for rhino horn. Each year, many African rhinos die to satisfy the demand for human rhino horn consumption. They use rhino horns to treat various ailments, for example, reduce hangover, fever, gout, or used to alleviate cancer and stroke. And some people give rhino horns to terminally ill patients as consolation, and to express the feeling that they can do anything to help the sick. Despite we have campaigns to reduce rhino hunting, but nowadays it hasn't been successful. In the past, campaigns have often focused on the price of rhinos. The government has increased penalties against the sales of rhino horn and suggesting that rhino horn has no medicinal properties. But the result of the study can clearly indicate that those who bought the rhino horn ignored the controversy raised by the campaign, and the wild rhino trade is continued to this day. This is called the risk of extinction of the rhino, and it's not exaggeration.
Now we are moving to the last part. Let's see some examples to protect rhinos. There are 3-step approach to protecting rhinos. 1 is protect rhinos. For decades, rhino has been hunted by crime syndicates for their horns, which are then sold on the black market. Today, they are one of the most endangered species on the planet. That's why we protect them. Hermes bass rhino frost fights poacher with night vision, steel boats, drones, and if necessary also use armored force, patrolling the brush hour rangers risk their life every day to ensure the rhinos and other wildlife survivals. 2 is preserve rhino genes. To preserve the current genetic diversity of rhinos, Hermes bass rhino frost has started the Kairos project. We collect rhino sperm, eggs, cells as well as other biological material from live and deceased individuals. All samples are cryopreserved in our biobank, which will soon be the largest genetic reservoir for African rhinoceros in the world. The frozen reproductive material enables acids being the ultimate safety net against extinction.
And the last thing that we can do to protect rhino is create campaign to against wildlife trade. Establish a project campaign to against wildlife trade, to stop hunting and trade in wildlife around the world. Call on all governments to take action to seriously address
wildlife trade and reduce demand for wildlife products of all kinds, because many governments are still ignorant of this crisis.